This is about the scheduled opening for day after tomorrow, that is 2nd of July, by Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa, who actually do something for the country always, while others are, just wasting their time, debating arguments, etc. The Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa would be opening the new interchange attached to the Southern Expressway at the Matara Kamburupitiya Hakmana Road, that road entry into the Southern Expressway, because this is a very good thing, because at the moment the present traffic congestion in the Matara town could be reduced a lot by opening up the Hakmana Kamburupitiya road and paving the way that road's entrance into the Southern Expressway. This is an easy way to reduce the traffic congestion in the Matara town. But not only that, actually the Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa's opening ceremony would be on the Zoom, but still from Matara, Suryavava, there is the present road network to Ambilipitiya. We know Ambilipitiya is an area where thousands of youth, Sinhala youth, have been killed by the UMP at that time governments, to which the current Prime Minister Ranil Wickramasinghe had been a major party. Under that time, in Ambilipitiya, there are certain torture chambers even today. The watchers, the guards in those army, Sri Lanka Ministry of Defence, paramilitary squad executed torture chambers. Actually, the innocent youth only got killed here, not the JVP people prominently. That is the reason. So the particular guards who are now guarding these locations, they say on the night, still they hear the voices of people shouting, screaming, and sometimes the in the middle of the midnight, these guards who are guarding these buildings now, which are occupied for different purposes, are pulled out from their beds and they fall on the ground, and all of a sudden, and then they hear the voices of people screaming in pain. So there must be a road from Suryavava Hambantota, because Suryavava there are new roads, carpeted roads, but the lane marking, the pavements and the traffic road signs must be there. That's very important, and traffic road signs must be in Sinhala language and English both in those areas. And also from Suryavava to Ambilipitiya, and the entrance to the Ratnapura must be given, so that when the the Ruwanpura Expressway, which had already begun from Kasbava to Kahatuduwa to Palmadulla and to Ratnapura, then from Ratnapura to Ambilipitiya to Suryavava would connect those torture chambered areas where youth have been killed, and still parents are suffering. They are they have been reborn in as hungry ghost, and now still disturbing. So economic development, economic growth must be brought about by extending from Suryavava to Southern Expressway to Ambilipitiya to Ratnapura Palmadulla, connecting it to Ruwanpura Expressway from Palmadulla, then back to Kahatuduwa Kasbah, so that the thing is that must be renamed as I think probably as a new expressway from Ruwanpura Expressway from Kasbah to Palmadulla, and then from Palmadulla or Ratnapura to Suryavava across Ambilipitiya, and I think the best way to to name this expressway must be found, and accordingly that must inspire any future carnages like the Ambilipitiya youth carnage, which is more than the Easter carnage.